How to lock apps on iPhone. So go ahead and open your settings application. And before anything else, make sure that you are running on iOS 16.4 or higher. If you have an outdated iOS, this feature will not be available on your end. So once you're in the settings application, select screen time, and in here select use screen time passcode. Now set your password, re-enter it. Once that's done, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID account, so just do that and tap on done. After that, proceed to app limits, choose add limit, tap on the specific application that you want to lock, set the time to 1 minute, tap on add, and now to check it, go to the specific app that you locked. Once the app is used for a minute, the screen will appear, and if one asks for more, the screen time password will be asked before the app can be used again. So that is how to lock apps on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.